back to my channel. I hope you're doing all amazing. Today is my very first Zara haul. Okay, so I decided not to buy from Zara anymore a few months ago, and for some reason I ended up on the website. You know, I love how I always say, I don't know what happened, but I bought this by accident. I went on the website by accident. Always have an excuse, to be honest. But I went on the Zara website, and to be honest, I found so many amazing things that went a bit crazy, and I think I bought for almost $600. And you know what, when I got my order, I was quite surprised, to be honest, because I didn't feel like it was a $600 order, but apparently it was. So I have a few things that I bought, and I'm really excited to show you. I did not try them. I only tried one thing, which is this very simple white tank top, because I needed it and I needed to wear it for an outfit. But other than that, I have no idea how everything fits, so I'm literally going to discover everything with you. So it's a try on as well, and I'm not going to create full outfit, but I'm going to show you. So what I did is I really tried to do like buy different things, but things that I could do like mix and match. So maybe wear, you know, this top with the jeans or with the leather skirt. So I really tried to make like a bunch of outfits. I really tried to do like a few pieces, but many different options for my outfits. So we'll see. I don't know if I succeeded, obviously. I'm gonna get to it. So the first piece I'm going to show you is, I think I'm going to show you the jacket. I really fell in love with the jacket, to be honest. So this jacket was 80 Canadian dollars, and it's a crop jacket, which I absolutely love, and I really like the bottom. So the reason why I took it is because it's like oversized. It's a bit, I think it's like a bit boxy. So I love the sleeves, they're a bit puffy, which I love. So I was thinking to wear this, and then I was thinking of wearing this tank top here. This is very simple, by the way, and I think the price was like $8. It's so comfortable, and you know, it's ridiculous because like I'm missing so many basics, and I just feel like I needed them. So I decided to buy this, and to be honest, $8. The only reason why I decided not to take any other colors because I didn't know if it was actually going to fit me. But I was kind of surprised, actually does fit me, so I think I'm going to order more colours. We're going to see. So the first outfit I'm going to create, I think, is this jacket here that I absolutely love, and the tank top, and I'm just going to show you. This is probably my favourite piece, by the way. This is a leather skirt. I think this is real leather. The price is a bit more expensive. This is $120. It's an extra small, by the way. Yeah, so this is the leather edition spring summer 20. And it is a bit more expensive, but to be honest, I fell in love, and I just felt like, I don't know, it would look so amazing with my Gucci bag. I'm going to show you after. But I'm going to try this, and we're going to see how everything fits. Okay, so I think I love the jacket, to be honest. I do feel like it's very boxy though. I don't know if, I don't know. I love the skirt though. I think the skirt is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I just want you to see it from the back. I don't know if you can see fully. I really like the skirt, to be honest. I was very nervous about the skirt because usually Zara skirts, sometimes they just don't fit. It's just not nice on me for some reason. I always have a problem, not at the waist, but usually it's like in the back, and to be honest, it's not that bad. I'm very petite, obviously, so I don't know if that helps, but this is an extra small, which I find is like the perfect size. I don't know if you like the jacket, to be honest. Yeah, I think I do. So the reason why I don't want to take off the jacket is because I'm not wearing a bra, and we can literally see everything. But I'm going to be naughty, and I'm just going to show you. I would usually wear something, obviously, but I just wanted to, I think I like it. And then, you know, to be honest, I think the jacket I would just wear, I think I would wear the jacket like this. I have a scrunchie from Chelsea King, and I just feel like it's the perfect colour. and I'm just gonna go get my Gucci bag and show you the whole outfit. So this is the reason why I bought the leather skirt. I just felt like it was actually perfect for the bag, and I do feel like it is. It would be something I would wear like this, and then probably like this, to be honest. Like, this is just my signature style. I love wearing my bag this way for some reason. I just feel like it's a lot more trendy and just very cool and very like put together. And I think I would go with definitely super high heels. I feel like you would look gorgeous. I'm very small, so I do feel like if I don't wear heels with this skirt, I'm gonna look like a midget, literally. Still not sure about the jacket. I think I'm gonna try the jacket with something else just to really make up my mind, but I really like this. Like I said, you know, the tank top is, I think, like $8 if I'm not mistaken, and honestly it is worth every penny. Like, it does stay on the skin, because sometimes when you pay like $8 for a top, it's very loose or just not very flattering, and I really do feel like this is perfect. So this was my first outfit. Now I think I'm still going to keep the skirt, and I'm going to try this top here. I'm just going to show you. Actually, I'm going to keep the jacket just because I really do feel like we see everything and I'm so uncomfortable. The next piece is this leather crop top, and I felt like if I wanted to go with a full leather outfit, this would definitely be the perfect top. My problem with these tops, usually they don't fit, so this is just me taking a chance. I don't think this is real leather. This is probably like polyester or something like this. I'm just gonna check. This is 100% polyester, so it's not real leather, but I do feel like you can't really tell the difference. So I'm just gonna try it now with the skirt and we'll see. So the zipper is on the side. Ooh, I think it does fit. I actually love this so much. Very surprised because I really thought this would be super uncomfortable. It's a bit stretchy, which is what I like. I think I'm gonna wear the jeans jacket over it. I would definitely wear like this. I think I'm starting to love this jacket. Really like it. I think for this outfit, I prefer this top than the other one. Obviously the other one is really nice, but I just feel like, you know, with this outfit, the fact that it's not super like bright white, it's just very beige. I absolutely love this. I think it's very elegant. I don't know what kind of shoes I would wear though. I think I would wear my Aqua Zura. It's leopard. You've seen that in my previous video. I just feel like they would be perfect. This is, I apologize, darlings. Just feel like this is perfect, you know, for like a drink, fancy night out with your friends. It's like very cool, very trendy. It's sexy as well. I feel like it's super sexy, but I really don't mind it. I love this so much. So I think the top is a keeper, the skirt is a keeper, and the jacket is starting to become a keeper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the skirt for the trousers. They seem really big, by the way. I really thought they would be slightly smaller for some reason. I think this is going to fit. That's fine. The waist is going to be fine, but then the length is really long, and it's just not gonna, you know, even with heels I don't think it's gonna fit. So this was $45, $46 exactly, and this is an extra small. I really like the color. I love the fabric, to be honest. It's super light, so I just feel like during summer this is perfect. I'm gonna try it with this top here, and I don't know if it's gonna fit. I don't know if it's like, it's gonna be really flattering, but we'll see. Ooh, they look big. Yeah. Okay, it's kind of big. I don't mind the waist being big here, to be honest. I think it's very cool, but the actual length of the trousers is quite unbelievable, to be honest. But the color, the fabric, it's just so perfect. I have my little bag here, and I just felt like it would look super cute. I don't know. I think I like this. Trousers, love them. The fabric is super light. It's actually not see-through. Usually Zara trousers, for some reason, you literally see everything. Well, I have a mirror here, so that's the reason why I'm not looking at the camera, by the way. I'm not crazy. I'm still going to keep them, and I'm going to try a different top. I'm going to go with the black top here. This is very cute, by the way, and it's so cute that I decided to take this top in 2 different colors. So I took a white one and I took the black one. So this was $26, by the way, if you're interested. I don't know if it's going to fit with the trousers. I feel like it's not, but I'm still going to give it a try. Really like the fabric. You just look like a mermaid, I find. So I'm just going to change quickly. I don't know if I like it. There's something in the front that I really don't like. I don't know if it's like because of the trousers. I feel like it's super weird, but I don't know, there's something up with it. The back is quite nice, to really like the fact that you have some space here. So this is beautiful, but I think this, I was expecting something slightly shorter, like maybe like this. I feel like this is way too long for some reason. I don't know if it's just, like I said, the trousers I'm wearing, maybe it's just not like the perfect fit. So I think I'm going to change the trousers and I'm going to try the jeans instead and see if the result is slightly better. I feel like they are way smaller. Maybe I just gain weight, because that happens. I've been eating quite a lot lately, so I just don't like this top, to be honest. This top is just not flattering. Maybe on someone else, but no. Ugh, I actually hate the jeans. I hate them so much. They make me look so weird. I hate the top and I hate the jeans. I'm definitely not keeping them at all. I'm just gonna try the same top but in white very quickly. I don't know, it's like the front part is weird. I feel like it would have been, it needed to be shorter or something. Definitely not keeping the top, definitely not keeping the pants, and I really don't like the jeans. I'm gonna try this top here and I'm going to change my jeans. I'm going to go with this pair of jeans. Very long, so obviously it's not going to be flattering if I'm not wearing heels, so we'll see. I don't know how it's going to fit. I was also thinking that this top could actually go with the leather skirts. Also, this is actually something you could wear open, you know, just as like, not a cardigan, but just like a vest over something. I think it would be quite nice. I took a medium and I'm kind of thinking why I did that, to be honest. I just feel like I needed a smaller size. I just feel like I got it wrong with the size. I actually love this. Like this I find is a beautiful detail and it's quite thick, which is what I like. You have 2 buttons here, can do a little bow. Yeah, this is something I really like. The jeans are actually really nice. I'm going to show you from further away just so you can see everything. They do make it look slightly bigger, I find. They just, I don't know, but I feel like that's just the look, to be honest, so I'm just not going to complain. Top, unfortunately, I just feel like the size is not fine. I'm going to try it quickly with the skirt. Maybe it's going to be slightly better with the skirt. I don't know, because it's like very oversized and I just feel like super big, and then you kind of have these super big jeans, so it's like you need to kind of balance the whole thing. I think with the skirt, this top being oversized and really big is not that annoying. I just feel like, what's my problem today? Once again, Gucci bag to the rescue with a scrunchie if you want. I really like this scrunchie, but I really like everything with the Gucci bag. Okay, this is really annoying, by the way. Officially giving up on this top. It's just not really working. It's the size, I don't know, it's moving a lot as well. I don't know if I want to order it again. Like, it's super pretty, it's very nice, but at the same time I have some issues with it, so I don't know if it's a keeper. I think I went through everything. Oh no, I need to show you something. Something I bought from Zara, but I didn't show you. I bought these from Zara for $50. I thought it would look absolutely stunning, so pretty. It's like very simple. What I did not see on the website is that this part here is very small compared to this one. My legs were bigger, smaller, and just, it was not flattering at all. I just didn't want to keep them. The one thing I hate about Zara is like this. You can't even try your shoes properly. I had this in the middle and I was trying to like walk with them and I was really trying to see, were they comfortable? Were they actually nice? I don't know. I'm going to return that for sure. So I think the items I'm going to return are this top here, white jeans 100%. The black top here and the white top all gone, and I think the trousers, jacket is a keeper. I think the jacket is a keeper, even though it was like $80, which for me is slightly expensive for Zara. I was expecting like $60, $50, or maybe I'm just a cheap person, to be honest. These definitely a keeper. So I think we went through everything. Hopefully these items are still available on the website, so I'm going to link everything, and like I mentioned, if I can't find them, I'm going to put a similar link so we can buy things and go crazy like I did. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I did notice that so many of you actually set the alarm so you have a notification when I have a new video, and I really appreciate that, so thank you so much for that. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. You can always give my video a thumbs up. You can also visit my blog www.tothercafe.com. I try to post 2 articles a week, 1 video on YouTube, and you can also follow me on my Instagram page at @tothercafe. I post different things. I also post things about my cat, so if you're interested. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next week.